Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Light and Motion GoBe 800 Spotlight. So compact little handheld torch. This has a concentrated 12-degree spotlight beam and this kicks out about 800 lumens of bright white light. So nice and small and compact, but very, very powerful. And because it's concentrating all of that light into that tight little spotlight, it's going to pierce through murky waters. So it's great for communicating, highlighting sort of certain things and being seen at a distance when the visibility is low. So this is a self-contained unit. You charge it through these little contacts at the back and you can charge this through any sort of powered USB port, just like your mobile phone or your sort of modern tablets. Comes with that USB cable, plug it in and away you go. So very simple user interface. You have a single button. Just below that you have an LED battery level indicator. So this is brand new out of the box, so it doesn't have a great deal of juice. So when I turn it on, that's going to go red, I'm afraid. So switching it on, press the button and that turns it on. You can see that little light turns red. When it's fully powered, it will go green. And then it's a bit like a traffic light. When you're getting a bit low, it starts to turn amber. And then when it's very low, it turns red. So as you can see, tight little spotlight beam. It's kind of tired, it's brand new, there isn't a great deal of juice, but when it's fully powered, this is a fairly powerful torch. But because it's concentrated in that tight little spot, that 12-degree beam, that's really going to penetrate through murky waters. Holding that down for 2 seconds, we'll switch it off. Very, very quick and easy to navigate. Nice and compact as well, great for traveling. One great thing about the GoBe range is that you can unscrew the head of the torch and you can swap them out. So you can have different heads. You can swap that for a wide angle if you want to use the torch. So you don't have to buy a completely new torch for different reasons. You can just buy a new head and then that just pops in. Waterproof down to 120 meters when this is fitted properly, so very water resistant, very handy little torch, nice and compact and still fairly powerful. This is the Light and Motion GoBe 800 Spotlight. Thanks for watching and safe diving.